Another example of converting a fraction to IEEE format, and this time it's going to be super quick, like it gets quicker every time we try it. So here we have the number 783 that we would like to store as a floating point number using our standard. So we take our calculator, switch to programmer mode. We can enter our decimal 783 and take the binary, copy it, and this is our sign is positive, and here we get our fraction with 0.0 because we only have the integral part. So this is a denormalized version, so we can just copy this and normalize. So of course we have to move this radix point over here, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, right? So that's how we move it, and it's 9, so this time it's normalized times 2 raised to the 9th power. Okay, so we compute our exponent. It's going to be 127 plus 9, so this equals 136, and we convert it to a binary value using the calculator. So this will be decimal 136 binary. We'll copy it from here. Right, so this looks good. This is our exponent. We know this. We also have our sign ready to go. This is mantissa, so I'm just going to replace my question mark with mantissa value and just align it with this. So just be careful to add correct number of zeros. Right, so it has to be 23 bits altogether, and quick check for the result in our converter. Right, so spaces and hit enter. So the result is 783.